All right, that's fun. We've got a noisy bunch tonight. This is Shade and Ace's pups at 3 weeks tomorrow. Our first video tonight. This is the black collared yellow male that McKay has. All right. It's got some great colors. All right, you can put him down, McKay. Here is the whiter male, the gray collar. All right, you can put him down, McKay. Let's do that male.
About to go to sleep on my lap.
Yeah, here's the black male. He's got a blue collar. He's a cutie. All right, you can put him down. And here's our two females. First, this is the light purple. Let's see her face. Oh, she's a sweetheart. All right. And here's our last female. She's got the hot pink collar. Yep. Let's see her face. We woke him up from a nap. But here we are, 3 weeks old.